What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to start your own Unity FPS microgame. So first person shooter microgame. If you want, Unity now offers a template for first person shooters that you can build off of, and basically it has everything built in, just a rough version of it that you can modify to make your own. So if this is what you're interested, basically you got to go on to new right here. And as you scroll down, you'll see 2D, 3D, the basic 2D template with absolutely nothing, a 3D template with absolutely nothing. But if you scroll down, you'll start to see other options. So 2D platformer microgame, I've done a video on this one. This one's pretty cool, but here we go, FPS microgame. So I haven't downloaded this one yet. I'm going to click download, and then I'm going to click install. So we just gotta wait for this to install. I'll do a jump cut when it's done. Be right back. Okay, now it's done downloading. Now we can just simply select FPS microgame as an option, and I have to say you need to have a location, a file directory here with no spaces in it. So I have just test here, there's no spaces. This is going to work fine, but if there are spaces in your file directory, Unity will complain about it and it will give you an error when you try to build this project. So don't have any spaces. I'm just going to call this FPS game. And now I'm going to click create and let Unity do its thing, and I'll check back in with you guys when it's done. Okay, so I must admit that took much longer than I expected, but I'd say that took around 10 minutes for me to actually do, so that's a long jump cut. Actually, okay, no, 5 minutes, let's say 5 minutes, but that is a long jump cut for me anyways. So this will pop up, get started with Unity, so now you'll have an option to start tutorials or explore the project yourself. I recommend you guys start the tutorials and go through the tutorials yourself to understand how this works, and understand how Unity works and understand how to modify things. Definitely helpful, but I will say the Unity tutorials are like very high level. You also have to put in the work and understand things yourself, so it's just like a rough guideline. But anyways, I'm going to click explore the project, and I'm just going to show you guys how this runs really quick just to show you what you have here. So close this tab, that's fine, resize this, and this is our FPS microgame. So when you click play up here, here we go. Eliminate all the enemies. So WASD is to move, click is to shoot. By default my sensitivity is super high, but whatever, we'll make this work. And as you can see, enemies have been loaded with health. You have health packs. Unity has provided you with a whole lot of different things here. So we have our level here, the rest of the undeveloped level, so you can obviously build this yourself. But I'm just going to go back into here and show you guys a couple more things. So if you go down here, there's more health packs, and you can right click to as a feature. But so this is the FPS microgame in Unity. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.